Worried your customer's payment info could get stolen? One breach could ruin trust and tank your sales, even if your store is legit. Here's a manual way to track your payment security. In Google Sheets, make a checklist for SSL, strong passwords, two-factor authentication, and secure checkout links. It helps you see where your store might be vulnerable, but manual tracking can protect your payments on its own. That's where EasyPay Direct comes in. Their platform enforces encryption, PCI compliance, and built-in fraud protection to safeguard every transaction. Plus, their FAQ on how e-commerce credit card processing works walks you through the steps behind each transaction, so you can see how payments are processed safely from start to finish. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description. See how their security features keep every transaction protected. Don't leave your customers' data at risk. With EasyPay Direct, you get encrypted, PCI compliant processing that keeps payments safe. Click the link in the description to get started today.